Good morning, dear children. Today we will do direct and indirect speech. Now, whatever we are speaking, it is either direct speech or indirect speech. Now, how a speech is direct and when the speech is indirect, just see. Just see the two examples given at the top. Uh, Rama said, Harry is an idle boy. You can notice here, you can see there that in this sentence, Harry is an idle boy. It is written in double inverted commas. And the second sentence is Rama said that Harry was an idle boy. If you notice these two examples, that you will find the difference of the verb. Now here in this first sentence, Harry is an idle boy. Harry is an idle boy. It is directly said by Rama to the speaker is saying directly to the person, to someone, right? And Rama said that means third person is telling about Rama's statement about Harry, that Rama said that Harry was an idle boy. In this sentence, we have changed the verb given in the inverted comma is changed into was. So, the first sentence in the first sentence, we give the exact words used by the speaker. So this is your direct speech, and in the second sentence you notice that the we do not give the exact words of the speaker but give only the substance of what he said. It means that whatever the speaker has told to the person, we have not changed the meaning of the sentence, but only the tenses of the verb is being changed. So this second sentence is an indirect speech. Now the terms you have to keep it in mind, that in first sentence means this one. In the first sentence, said is this. Said is called the reporting verb. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में जो सेड वर्ड यूज़ हुआ है उसको रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब कहते हैं. एंड Harry is an idle boy is called the reported. जो whatever is written in the inverted comma, this is your reported speech. So please keep these terminology in your mind: reporting verb and reported speech. Because in the changing of direct into indirect, these two things are very very important. So you should know reporting verb क्या होता है, reported speech किसे कहते हैं. Again I am repeating, said in the direct speech, whatever the uh, said, what if it is said, says or will say, this will be your reporting verb, and whatever is written in the inverted commas is your reported speech. So please could keep these two terms in your mind. Okay, let us proceed. From sentence 1 you can also learn that direct speech. Now in the first sentence, what you can learn, that in the direct speech the exact words of the speaker are put within inverted commas. The first word of reported speech begins with a capital letter. Just see the exact words of the speaker are in inverted commas. You can see that inverted commas are being used here. Then the first word of reported speech begins with capital letter Rama. R is in capital letter. The comma is placed after the reporting verb said. Then after it the comma is placed. Said के बाद comma है. And these are compulsory things that you have to do. Okay, from the second sentence 2 you have learned the reported words are not placed within inverted commas. Now in the second sentence no inverted commas can be seen, no comma is also there after said. The reported speech is introduced by the conjunction that. Reported speech, ये that हैरी वॉज एन आइडल बॉय, हैरी वॉज एन आइडल बॉय, ये आपका रिपोर्टेड स्पीच है. तो इसको दैट वर्ड्स कंजंक्शन से हमने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है. द वर्ब इज चेंज इनटू वॉज. इस वर्ब को हमने वॉज वर्ब में चेंज कर दिया था. इज यहाँ पे है, देन व्हेन वी हैव रिटन इट इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच it is was. So please keep these things in your mind. Now see the rules of changing direct into indirect speech. The very first rule, if the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the verb in the reported speech is not changed at all. It means that reporting verb यानी कि this part says will say, अगर ये reporting verb जो है, if these verbs are in present tense और future tense, says वगैरह है, say या says है, और फ्यूचर टेंस में है तो will shall लगा हुआ है, then it means that you need not to change the verb, the tenses of the verb given in inverted commas. reported speech में यानी कि inverted comma के अंदर जो भी verb है उसको उसका टेंस आप चेंज नहीं करोगे, उसको एज इट इज़ ही रहने दोगे. ओनली द प्रोनाउंस विल बी चेंज, otherwise rest of the thing will remain same. Just observe the examples. See the example number 1. Tom says there is no ink in the ink pot. Tom says that there is no ink in the ink pot. The teacher says the boy was lazy. The teacher says that the boy was lazy. Only the inverted commas are replaced and that word is introduced, बाकी सब same है. Then Ashok will say dinner is ready. Ashok will say that dinner is ready. Raman will say nobody was in the room. Raman will say that nobody was in the room. So you can observe the differences. आपने कोई भी, हमने इसमें कोई भी verb change नहीं किया है, present को past में change नहीं किया है. Now if the reporting verb is in past tense, just see this, if the reporting verb is in past tense, then the reported speech will be changed to past tense. यानी कि अगर आपका says और will say की जगह said है या told है, past tense में है, then the verb in the reported speech will also be changed into past tense. Just observe the example, just see the thing. इसके भी कई चीज़ें हैं. Simple past present will be changed into simple past. The first rule, see the example. Pinky said Kamla works very hard. Here works is in simple present tense, so you have to change it into simple past. Simple past का rule क्या होता है? You have to use the second form of verb. Pinky said that Kamla worked very hard. Okay. The second, Anil said Satish swims daily. Anil said that, you have to remove comma and inverted commas, and you have to write that. And swims ka second form, swam will be there. So Anil said that Satish swam daily. Okay, now the present continuous will become past continuous. Okay, just see the example. Present continuous means is या am is are plus ing form of verb. तो आपको past continuous में कैसे करना है? is are am की जगह was या were according to the number of the subject, plural है या singular है, accordingly you will put auxiliary was or were and the ing form of verb. Just see the examples. He said Anand is working. Here is working is in present continuous tense. So he said comma and inverted commas will be removed, and on its place we will write that. He said that Anand, इसकी जगह was, Anand is singular, so you will use was. Working ing form ही रहेगा, that Anand was working hard. He said the boys are playing. The boys are playing. He said that boys is plural, so you will use were. He said that the boys were playing. Okay, let us move to the next part. Present perfect will be changed into past perfect. Okay, now in the perfect tense we always use has or have plus third form of verb. This is what the rule of present perfect tense is. Now when you will change it into past perfect, then you have to use had plus third form of verb. There is no singular or plural. Whether it is singular or plural, with both you have to use had. Okay, now just see the example. Peter said Bali has done his work. Has done. Now Peter said that, we have to remove comma and inverted comma, and on its place we have to use that. So we had used that. Peter said that Bali had done his work. She said Kamla has written the letter. She said that Kamla had written the letter. Okay, now this is all about the changes in the uh, tenses. Now present tense and past tense, you don't have any changes in the present perfect continuous or past perfect continuous. You need not to change these things. Okay, now one more thing. If the you have an exception here, now you have to keep it in mind. Let's see here, in this rule, may is changed into might, can is changed into could. Okay, you just keep it in mind. अगर क्वेश्चन में may है तो you will write might, because might is the past tense of may, and if it is given can in the question, then you have to change it into could. Okay, just see the example. He said the boy may pass. He said that the boy might pass. I said I can do the sum. I said that I could do the sum. Okay, now what happens if the verb is in past tense in the reported speech? अगर inverted commas में ही verb past tense में हो तो कैसे change करेंगे? Just see the rule. Simple past will become past perfect. उसको पास्ट में ही करना है, पर सिंपल पास्ट को आपको पास्ट परफेक्ट में कन्वर्ट करना है. जस्ट सी, बाली सेड रमन रिटर्न्ड एट नून. बाली सेड दैट रमन हैड रिटर्न्ड एट noon. Okay, here in the question, returned is given in the second form. It means it is given in the simple past tense, and when you change it into indirect speech, then Bali said, inverted commas removed, that Raman had returned. The rule of past perfect is had plus third form of verb, so had returned at noon. He said Mary came at night. He said that Mary had come. Came, come. The third form of come is come only. So he said that Mary had come at night. Okay, now if the verb is in past continuous, अगर verb रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में जो वर्ब है अगर वो पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में होगा, देन इट विल बी चेंज इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. Just keep it in mind. Perfect past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. Just observe the example here. He said all were laughing at the beggar. Were laughing, it means inverted commas के अंदर reported speech में were laughing use हुआ है, तो it means this is past continuous tense. So past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. Just see the answer. He said that all had been laughing at the beggar. तो continuous का रूल यही होता है, had been plus ing form of verb. He said that all had been laughing at the beggar. Jack said all the boys were singing. Jack said that all the boys had been singing. Okay, now shall is changed into should and will is changed into would. Example, the teacher said Ashok will not pass. The teacher said that Ashok would not pass. I said I shall try to help her. I said that I should try to help her. So you can see will is changed converted into would, and shall is converted into should. So that's all for today.